In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Illustrator quickly and easily. Now, whether you're a budding graphic designer or you're simply looking to try out a powerful tool for your creative projects, getting started with Adobe Illustrator is a great choice. Thankfully, Adobe offers a free trial to help you get an idea of how it works. So, let's dive in and get you set up. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Adobe Illustrator Free and hit Enter. This search will bring up several options. You'll want to look for a result that says something like Adobe Illustrator Free Downloads and Free Trial. Click on this link to take you to the Adobe website. It's vital to ensure you're on the official Adobe website to avoid any potential security issues or downloading from unreliable sources. Once you're on the Adobe website, there will be a prominent Start Free Trial button. Click on it. This will direct you to choose between different subscription options, usually aimed at businesses, students, or individuals. For our purposes, we're going to choose the Individual tab. This will cater to personal use, providing you the tools you need for any independent projects you might be working on. After selecting your plan, click on Continue. And yes, you'll need to click Continue twice. It might seem repetitive, but this step is just to confirm the selection of your individual plan, ensuring you're getting the right setup tailored for personal use. At this point, you'll notice that the price will adjust down to $0 in your cart, which reflects the start of your 7-day free trial. This allows you to start exploring all the features Adobe Illustrator has to offer without any upfront cost. With that assurance, go ahead and click on Continue once more. Now comes a key step: adding your payment method. Even though your trial is free, Adobe requires a payment method to keep your account active and to avoid disruption if you decide to keep the subscription. Rest assured, you won't be charged during this trial period, but be mindful of when the trial ends if you decide not to continue, since charges will begin after the trial period. Once you've added your payment information, hit the Start Free Trial button. Adobe Illustrator will then begin downloading and install itself onto your computer. This trial lasts for 7 days, giving you ample opportunity to explore and experiment with its features. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Illustrator. Now you can dive into creating amazing designs and illustrations. Remember, the trial lasts for 7 days, so make the most out of it and decide if it suits your needs. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy designing!